So I'm gonna call you back, or I'll text you or something, and you let me know if you're
about to go shopping cart.
Alright, bye Maddie, I miss you. Bye. Hey Snaggle, what are you doing?
Fucking hanging out in my gold shopping cart, pushing around the hood, drinking some beer.
Yeah?
Fucking smashing on some fools. Can't think they understand. They thought they're from the south side. Shit. South side's fucking bad.
Southside's fucking bacon.
We're on a fucking gold team. We're fucking the best because we come from the west. That's some fine and dandy motherfucker right there. Not gonna lie.
Now you wanna see how I ride!
This is the Honda, don't even understand right now.
BAM!
They're fucking fine. This dude right here in this fucking Golf, this GTI, he doesn't even understand what's going on right now. He's just like, what the fuck? This shit right here in my gold shopping cart. This motherfucker just happened. That bitch is mind blown right. Boom! With a gold shopping cart, baby.
Tell me how you really feel.
Don't even know. Those fuckers are gonna go home right now and have nightmares. Be like, oh, man, I fucking hate life because I don't have a gold shopping cart. I can't go collect cans and fucking bottles and trash cans and shit with my gold shopping cart. Why? Because you don't have a gold shopping cart. That's why. You know why? Because only the best from the west got the gold shopping carts. You just wish you could have it. You just wish. You don't even know about this shit. I'm about to go smash